What's up, lovely gang? So your girl is here to tell you all about these new bundles that just came in. So happy that it came in because I was contemplating like, okay, so what should I do? Should I reuse these bundles that I have in my hair? Like, should I go get some? Like, what should I do? This hair company had hit me up. I'm thankful for them giving me an opportunity to do a video on their hair. So they actually helped me like save money instead of going out and getting some hair. They hit me up at the right freaking time, and I'm just so happy that they hit me up. This hair company is by, I don't know if hopefully I'm pronouncing it right, but I apologize if I don't say it right. It's Cynosure hair. This is how it's pronounced, y'all, right there. If y'all can see that. It will also be below the screen and also in the description box. So as well as the links and everything, y'all. Everything that y'all want to know about this hair will be in the description box. So make sure y'all go check that description box out and click the links. So this is an unboxing video on this hair. This is my first time trying their hair, and I can't wait to put it in. So as y'all can see, it comes in this pink little package, which is so cute. And it also came with this little booklet, this little pamphlet right here. Inside it has like you got the pictures of the ladies right here that has worn their hair, and inside you have like different bundles that you can just choose from. They have like many options for you, and this is just like feedback and just little questions that you may have. And on the back it has different bundles as well, like closures, lace fronts, and all that. So this comes in handy. Inside they pack you some real nice lashes. I love lashes like this. So they pack you nice lashes like this, ladies. So you can't go wrong with free lashes, y'all. So they got lashes. And I also ordered 3 bundles in the closure. So I have a 20, 22, 24 with a 20-inch lace closure. And this is Brazilian straight, I believe. I believe this is Brazilian straight. Ooh, it's nice and long. So it gotta be true to length, y'all. It has to be true to length. Because I ordered some hair previously, and I thought they were gonna be long, but they turned out to be short. So the hair wasn't like true to length. But this hair, it must be true length because it's actually long. It's long as heck. Look how long this bundle is, y'all. Look how long this bundle is. It's true to length. So let's see. Again, I have a 20, 22, have a 24, and I have a 20-inch lace closure. I believe this is a free part. I'm not sure, but I will soon check once we get to the closure piece. So this is how the bundle comes in. It comes in like a little plastic wrap. It's sealed shut right here. It's sealed. On the top you have your length right here, and also the brand of the let's see. You have the brand of the hair company, so size 24, and then the brand of it. It's also secured by this black band right here. So I'm about to check this out to see if this is a good bundle, because y'all, again, this is my first time trying out their hair. And I've also seen good reviews on this hair, y'all. I've seen nothing but good reviews, like good feedback. Oh, it comes out nice and soft. It's like it just fell in my hand. So this hair is like really soft, y'all. It's really soft. Like you could tell by how I'm running my fingers through it. Like no tangle. No tangle or nothing. Look how I'm really freaking running my fingers through this. Like no tangle, y'all. No tangle. From top to bottom, no tangle. So this is how the width look. So it's nice, perfect. And then it also has the tag on here, the brand of this hair right here. And it also tells a little bit about the hair and about the bundle right here. It's 100% human hair, y'all. So it is really good. It says the main products is body wave, kinky curl, straight hair, lace closure, and hair extensions. This hair can be dyed and bleached. So this is very good. No shedding, no tangle, silky and soft, full and thick. Can be permed, double machine width, tight and neat. This is what's up. You ladies, you will want bundles like this. Like who wouldn't want bundles like this? Look at it. Like OMG. has its own shine to it, so you don't have to add no oils to this. Well, I don't have to add no oils to this once I get it installed, y'all. Like, this is some really good hair, and I cannot wait to put this hair in my head. So Cynosure, hopefully I am pronouncing this right. Thank you guys for giving me the opportunity to wear your hair and to do a video on your hair. Like, I don't even have this in my head and I give it good feedback. Like, this is some really good hair. I'm gonna do an update video on this of basically how it takes when it's like washed. I'm gonna do an update on it because I use Shea moisturizer shampoo and conditioner. So I'm gonna see how that takes with that. That's how the bundle is. It's true. It's true to length. It's true that it's soft. It doesn't tangle. It's just speaking so many facts, y'all. So now we're about to try out this. So this is also sealed up tight. Ooh. Yep, that's sealed up pretty good. So let's see. Sometimes the closure don't have the same texture as the bundle. So, oh, never mind. It fell out in my hand just like the bundle. So here's the closure piece. Nice and silky and soft. Don't tangle, just like the bundle. No smell to it. And this is a free part closure. And if you don't know what a free part closure is, basically a free part is where you can place the part anywhere you want. You also have a choice of a middle part, a 3-part, you know, or even a side part. But with a free part, you get to place the part anywhere. So this is how the closure looks. Got the lace part right here. So the closure is like really silky and really soft. So I am actually excited about putting this in my head. Like, for my first time, I can't wait to put this in my hair. I said put this in my hair. I can't wait to put this in my head, you guys. Like, I really can't. So yeah, that's with this new hair. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. The links to everything of this hair, if you want to purchase this hair or check out the website, the link and everything will be in the description box below. So make sure y'all check out this hair, okay? Because it is freaking amazing. What is it? Cynosure hair. Hopefully I'm saying it right. I apologize if I'm not, but that shouldn't stop you from clicking that link to go check out their hair. So get you some bundles, y'all.